Best part about traveling with your mother is you can have as much Starbucks as you want. Kaka, where are you? I still can't believe where I'm going. Get all these airplanes, bro. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bye. Yes, thank you. Okay. The date is October 1st and we are finally leaving to Maldives. Yeah, woke up at 5 in the morning because we had to get ready by 7:30 and cross all of Bangalore's traffic and reach the airport because it's an international flight. We have to be early. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna explain shit like these because it's basic stuff, okay? So what we did after we woke up was we had to fill in that form from a website which gives us the authority to come here, like medically. Yeah, the COVID vaccination certificate, the RT-PCR test report, plus the Maldivian report which is required for you to travel to go there. Okay? So we are headed to Terminal Gate 5 and yeah. The airport is so cool, bro. Yeah, the first time I was on a flight was from my way back from Ahmedabad, but this time, bro, I get to see a very huge airport. Yes. Oh my god. From my Chikappa's house to here, I saw 12 Dominoes. Here's the team of Kesari Tours and Travels. We're going through them because the whole trip that I was organized from my mom, these guys organized the trip, like the whole flight thingy, to stay there, the activities, yeah, everything. It is organized by Kesari Travels. Okay. Still waiting for the students to arrive, like the 4 students I told you guys about. Yeah, they are about to come here, but they are running a little late. Until then, we'll figure this stuff out. Thank you. Nice. I don't know what's in this, bro. So Prati is gonna order for us. Best part about traveling with your mother is you can have as much Starbucks as you want. Thank you, mother. We ordered the coffees and all. I ordered the same thing, pumpkin spice latte, because yeah. Plus I ordered cheesecake. And I'm in Hubli, the best cheesecake I ever had was Tela Pizza ka cheesecake. But yeah, here I can do better. Literally the best thing I ever ate in my life was this cheesecake. I love my life. You have to show our board ticket. I mean the tickets that the Kesari guy has given us there. Yeah, this is done for now. We didn't get a boarding passes yet. Everybody is right over here and we are waiting in the line to get the boarding pass. The check-in bag has gone in. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And look what I just got from there. The boarding pass, which says Bengaluru to Male or Mail. Okay. Now I understand why people come so early to go on these international flights, because it takes a lot of time. Just look at the line, look at the people around here. Just look at this. Yeah. After the boarding pass thing is done, you have to go up there for all the immigration and stuff. So yeah, the immigration documentation and all those stuff. They're gonna check the reports that we submitted yesterday in that website. I'll just put a link to that down below in the description if you are planning to go there. But yeah, it's not that much of a complicated process. You just have to fill in that. You'll get cleared in the immigration. They'll check that same QR code over there while you're getting your boarding pass. But yeah, that's about it. The money exchange thingy, the Thomas Cook money exchange, where you can exchange your currency and money. I have an international debit card, so I'm going to use it over there. Okay, so turns out there's a confusion on whether we can use the international debit card or no. So yeah, just to be on the safer side, we just withdraw our money and we are going to exchange the currency over there. I'm exchanging around 8,000 rupees, which is after their own taxes and commission stuff. It's going to be around $100, you know, just in case. Yeah, even if some dollars are left, we can just come back here and get it exchanged again, so that's not going to be a problem.
So passport to PAN card matte ticket.
Yeah.
Ticket copy. Bangalore to Male to Bangalore. Both ticket are required. $140 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
$140 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 12,700 ಈಗ. This is up and down ticket. Yeah, we got that from Kesari and we are giving it here. So they're gonna take a scanned copy of your passport as well as the ticket you got from the tourism that you're traveling, or from online if you have booked it online. Okay, so the declaration of remit is under blah blah blah. You are responsible for what you have.
$110.
Thank you. A very important note, when they give you the US dollars or any currency that you get, count it with the bill that they gave you. Like the foreign exchange rupees, they cut taxes and GST, CST, everything with it. Minus it, then divided for the exchange rate of the US dollars and all those stuff, you'll get a number of how many dollars you're gonna get. Count it first and then take it. We got 110, it was supposed to be 140. We got 140 now. Okay, so we are heading to immigration now, and video shooting is apparently not allowed over there. So, I got the first seal in my passport. How good is that? You know, when you wake up 5:30 in the morning just to pack your bags, and the security checkup, they take literally every piece of what you had in your bag outside. And this is not fair. You know, the best thing was everything was finished pretty quickly because there wasn't any line, but now there's a line and my mom stuck behind. Yes. Kaka, where are you? Look at all these brands, bro. Oh my god. Just look at all of this, man. Just look at all of this. Ooh, nice. My god, so many chocolates, so many brands. I feel like I'm in Maldives already, man. Look at all of this. I still can't believe where I'm going. Seeing all of this has a huge smile in my face already. Just look at the waiting area, man. It's so cool. Yeah, our gate number is 35 and it's right over there. Yeah, it's right over there. Still have 1 hour of time. Yes, I'm very excited right now. I'm absolutely very excited. It's so fucking silent over there. Nobody's talking, everybody's classy. And yeah, it's not so classy. Look at all these books. No, books I'm not excited. What am I even talking, bro, now? Yeah, the chicken got boarding pass and we're entering the gate right now. Look at all these airplanes. Oh my god. If you can't see my smile, this is it. So happy. Yeah, bhai. Now this is just model, bro. Full Ramoji Film City vibes. It's so cool.
हम आभारी हैं धन्यवाद अपनी जगह शीघ्र लें इससे दूसरे यात्री आगे बढ़
The time is 12:55 and the departure time over here is given as 1:25. Time pass ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಮ್ಮ, but I have a view. Yes.
and thank you for choosing to fly with Boeing. We will keep you updated.
The flight time is approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes. We haven't left the runway yet, and yeah, people are Indian people. We are very proud of us. I'm excited about the flight. I'm excited to go out of India. I'm excited. Yes, we have officially crossed the time difference. We are half an hour behind India. I don't know. Feels the same. There's actually a sad reason here too, because this is the end of the video, and the next video I'll restart the vlog, this one, because it's gonna be too long. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. My name's Batsa. Welcome to the fam. Adios.
Bitches on my dick 'cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.